Okay, then it says, let C be the function defined by this. This is where people get confused because they're like, I'm scared. And then they like poop in their pants or something. Is G continuous? Oh my goodness. We need to know the definition of a continuous function. And that's three things. The limit from the left as x approaches some number is a number. The limit from the right as x approaches the same number is the same number. This gets confusing. And then the actual evaluation of the function at that same x value, does it give the same number as the two limits before it? So is G a continuous, or is it continuous at x equals -3? Use the definition of continuity to explain your answer. So I would say, well, I need to know limit as x approaches -3 from the left side. Well, which one do I use from the left side? -3. Where is -3 included? Is it here? It's not here. Look, it's not included there. I don't use, so for -3, I don't use that. Actually, it's smaller than -3, right? It's more negative. It's on the left side, so anything smaller than -3. Which one would I use? Smaller than or equal to, actually, this one. So, okay, that's f of x. So I'm going to be using this function, square root of 25 minus x squared. If I do direct substitution, don't I get 4, right? I did that already. Okay, cool. So the limit from, or as x approaches -3 from the left side, I have to use my f of x because this allows for plugging in -3 and smaller than -3. The limit as x approaches -3 from the right side, I must use this, right? So that means I'll have x plus 7. X plus 7. Well, that, by direct substitution, is also 4. So that's good. And then if I say, g of -3, that just means I plug in the -3 to my function, right? Because when I plug in -3, it's equal there. So I plug in -3, that means I'm plugging it into f, and I already did that, and that does equal 4. So I'd say, yes, G is continuous at x equals -3 because the limit as x approaches -3 from the left and the right is 4, and it agrees with G of -3, which is also 4. Is also 4, and that's the definition of continuity. The limit from the left has to agree with the limit from the right, and it also has to agree with the evaluation of the function. Wow, I'm talking fast. And so that's what I would say. And I showed all my work or my reasoning. I don't even have very much work to show. So that's part C, right? Part C, like Moses.